In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a store on Wix Studio. If you've been looking to expand your online presence and venture into the world of e-commerce, setting up a store on Wix Studio is a fantastic way to start. So let's dive in and walk you through this step-by-step process to get your store up and running efficiently. First, you need to head over to Wix Studio. To do this, simply open your preferred web browser and type in the URL, or click on any saved bookmarks you might have. Once you're on the Wix Studio homepage, make sure you log into your account. This is where all the magic begins. Accessing your dashboard will give you a platform to make your website dreams a reality. Now that you're in the dashboard, the next step is to locate and click on the Add Elements button. You'll typically find this positioned conveniently within the editor interface. The Add Elements feature is like the toolbox for your website, where you can access different components and features to enhance your site. Clicking on this button will display a menu of options you can incorporate into your site. From the menu that opens, look for the option labeled Store. Adding a store to your Wix site is essential for showcasing products and facilitating sales. Simply click on the Store icon, and it will direct you to the next series of options. This is where you'll begin to create the core structure of your online shop, setting the foundation for what your customers will experience. Once you've selected Store, you'll see an option to Add to Site. Click on this to append the store functionality into your Wix site. This action integrates a fully functional online store layout into your existing site structure. You will notice this adds a few pre-designed templates to your site, which you can customize according to your needs, ensuring it matches your brand identity and website aesthetic. The final task involves clicking on Manage Categories. Here, you will organize your products into different sections. Think of categories as virtual aisles in a brick-and-mortar store. For instance, if you sell clothing, you could have categories like menswear, women's wear, and accessories. Managing these categories not only helps customers navigate your store with ease, but also enhances the overall shopping experience. And there you have it. Setting up a store on Wix Studio is straightforward when you know your way around the system. As you've seen, each step builds on the next, making sure you have a streamlined process to establish your online store. With your store now added, you're ready to customize further, add products, and start selling to your customers. Thanks for joining, and I hope this guide has been helpful. You're now one step closer to expanding your brand's reach online.